Hello friends, today we are making Upma. First add some ghee into it, then some curry leaves and chili. Add rye 1 spoon, let it pop. You put first rye and then curry leaves and chili. Mix it. Now we'll add tomatoes and salt. And now let's add some lemon juice. We need to add some more boiling water. Add some coriander leaves like a chef. Some points to remember. When you add the water into it, ask your mother or any elder to do it because it could splatter and hurt you. And our upma is ready. Take a towel or a napkin to open it because it's very hot. Garnish it with some coriander leaves. If you want, you can also add some cashews and raisins. Time to taste it. Very yummy. You also try it.